Hey, so I came across your website and I just want to give some feedback on this. What I like about this are the informations on this site, which a client would look for. And also the phone number is here, so it's easy for them to find the phone number that they need. So yeah, there are a lot of things you can read there. But now let's take a look what's happened online as far as what people on the Google search or see. Let's take a look at the customer looking for a service would see on Google and what we are looking right now. I'll show it to you. This is a ranking grid. And you can see you are number 2 right here in the middle area, which is your Google profile location. That around it drops off quickly. These are the areas quickly. And one of the suggestions we are giving business on this right now is to put another profile and another website and another city, another corner of the city that you want to grow into. Let us take a quick look to see how you are ranking. Wait, I'll show it to you. Fine. A and there. Okay, that's too far. This is your, as you can see, this is your position at the 36th. This is where you're ranking overall in the entire area. So above you are the companies who are also giving the same business as you do. So you know what we are thinking right now, or what we can suggest is, like I said before, is another website and another business Google profile. We're going to send you an example of a website that we built as a test model that we could brand for you and help you put up another profile to get you more jobs or more work to do. Now, if you're interested or if you have any inquiries, please let us know. Thank you.